Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bruxvoort. Today I want to show you how to change your batteries. There's 4 different kinds of batteries. Our largest one is called a 675. It's always blue. The next size is a size 13. It's always orange. Next size is our most common size today. It's a 312 and it's always brown. And the last size is our smallest. It's a size 10 and it's always yellow. Zoom in for me for a moment so we can get a better look. Okay, so when you're getting ready to change your battery, the first thing you'll need to do is get the battery out of the pack. All hearing aid batteries come in this little wheel pack here. If you flip it around to the back, you'll see a tab, just like that. You can pop it open, turn it over, and the battery will fall into your hand. And I always recommend doing this over a table so that you don't lose a battery. They're very small, so if you drop one, you'll never find it again. Now, these are air activated, so you'll notice that there's a little sticker on here. In order to activate the battery, you'll grab the tab and pull. Now I have this little sticker, and I'm just gonna throw that away or put it to the side. And now I see that there's a flat side, and if I flip it upside down, you can see there's a little ring. We want to put the battery in with the flat side facing up. So I have the flat side here. I'm going to set the battery on the table for the moment. To find your battery door on your hearing device, you're going to flip it upside down. So you don't want to see this button. This is the top of the device. I'm going to flip it upside down. And the way that I know that I'm looking in the right spot is I see a little red line right here, or a little blue line. So if I see this little red line, there's a notch, and I'm going to grab it and pull. That opens up the battery door. I have it open like this with my flat side facing up. I'm just going to set the device, the battery right in there. Now it's nice and flush, and when it's in the right way, it closes nice and easy, and I snap it into place. As soon as you close the battery door, it turns on and you're good to go. From here, you can watch our video on how to put the device in. So that's how you change your battery. Thanks for watching and congratulations on your journey to better hearing.